Hello, fellow citizens. I stand before you today not as a politician, but as a neighborhood, a friend, and a fellowship member of this community. We all I see the challenge we face, and I believe that together we can build a brighter future for our own town. And for education, I will fight to ensure that every child in our town has access to quality education regardless to their zip codes. And for local economy, I will work tirelessly to create an environment where local business can thrive by cutting red tape, offering tax incentives, and promoting entrepreneurship, and to create opportunities for everyone. And the last one is environment. I am committed to protecting our environment for our future generations. We'll invest in renewable energy, clean up our air and water, and we can create a healthy, sustainable community for all. My vision is for our town goes beyond just these three pillars, and I believe in a government that is transparent, accountable, and responsive to the needs of all citizens. I know that I can't do this alone. I need your help, your support, and your voice. Together, we can build a town where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. And also, I am asking your vote, but more importantly, I am asking for your trust. I promise to work hard every day to earn that trust. We can build a better future for our town. And thank you.